Hello friends! So it's been a couple months since I've done a makeup tutorial, a makeup video, and if you go on my playlist you can go ahead and check the last one out. It was the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe eyeshadow palette, and today I am going to be doing a quick little summer look with Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. And to be honest with you, it's brand new. I have not even opened or used it at all. So there it is, and even the brush is still in its little plastic casing. So yeah, so we are gonna work on this palette today, and I am thinking of doing like a soft pink brown look with like a bright bold lipstick. So stay tuned. And I went ahead and did my foundation and did my eyebrows already and a little bit of contouring here on the cheekbones and the bridge of the nose. For transition, I am thinking of trying out this burnt orange right here. This one right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just put that here. Just to give it a background, a transition shade. And I am just putting this on really lightly with a light hand. Okay, and you guys know I try to make my makeup tutorials quick and easy. This one right here, the rose pink, this looks so pretty. So we are gonna just get a flat shader brush and just dab that on there. Okay, and this product, you guys know Anastasia Beverly Hills is pretty pigmented, so be careful how much product you get, and don't forget to tap off the excess. So I am just gonna go ahead and pat that here in the inner lower lid area. Okay, so far so good on this product. It's so pigmented. I barely put the brush on here and it just really attached to the brush really well. Okay. I'm gonna try out their brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna use this one here. It looks like it's a little more dense than this fluffy blending brush side here. So this one is, you know, a little shorter and more dense. So you know that's going to have a higher impact on color application. And I am going to go and apply this one next to it, which is called Sultry. This one here. And I will take that and put it right here on the outer and just kind of press that in lightly. Just to, when you're trying out a new palette, you guys, you want to kind of, you know, be careful and see how the colors are, how pigmented they are. So don't take a bunch right away and you know, don't dig in there right away and press it hard, the brush against the shadow. But just kind of be cautious until you get to know how the palette is and how the shadows are. So far it's not bad. I just put in a couple applications here, and I will just put that here on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this blending brush right here and just kind of lightly buff that out and blend it through with the transition shade and the inner color that I put in. So I like how that's looking right there. You guys could see the three colors. So I'm just going to take this MAC brush again, and the transition shade that I used earlier is the burnt orange. I'm just going to add a little bit more on there and then go ahead and blend right here and going inwards. And then I just kind of slowly worked up the color way up here, but not too high. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and touch up the pink again, which is rose pink. This one here. I'm just going to lightly touch that up. One more time with this blending brush. This final look, I just went ahead and touched up the sultry color right here. And then I just went ahead and kind of put a little more on the outer corner, the outer V, just to give it a little more definition. And then one final time with the transition brush, just lightly on the outer half. If you have a short smudge brush, it's like a short tip brush, densely packed, looks like this. Okay, get one of those, and we are just gonna kind of carry that same color from the top to the bottom, and I will be using the soft pink. And I will apply that here on the inner half. So after applying the rose pink, I will go ahead and mix two colors for the outer half. I will be mixing the sultry and the cypress umber right here. It's like a taupey dark brown color, and I will use that on the outer half of the lower lash line. So now I'm going to highlight the brow bone, and I am taking the tempera right here, and I'm just going to apply that with a small flat brush. And right here I'm just going to highlight this brow bone. Let me just get my mirror here, guys. Okay, I'm just going to apply it here right under the brow bone. And after doing that, I will take my transition shade brush and just lightly, between these two colors, I'm just gonna lightly blend right here. Just so there's no hard edges, harsh lines. There we go. So just take your time with a really light hand, just kind of really buff that out slowly together, just so you don't see that separation. So time for eyeliner, and go ahead and use the eyeliner of your choice that you like. I will be using this gel eyeliner by Kiss. So just use any eyeliner you like. And I'm just gonna take that and apply it first. A little bit, I will be applying a little bit on the lower lash line actually. Just a small amount, just right here on the outer half. Now time for the top lash line right up here, and I'm just gonna use my other mirror right here, you guys. I'll be looking into this mirror. So I'm just giving that a small wing. Okay, so there goes the thin winged eyeliner on the top, and you can make this as heavy or as light as you want. Sometimes I don't even do a wing anymore, and there's times that I will, so it just depends on your mood or what type of look you're trying to achieve. So that is how my eyeliner looks for today. And I will be applying these Ardell Demi Wispies Falsies for today also. So I will apply that off camera and I will be right back. That is what the eye should look like. I just went ahead and put the Ardell Demi Wispies on, and I just curled it slightly with a little bit of mascara. And right now for blush, and I also put a little bit of some Maybelline highlighter under the eye. Okay, so now using this BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 color blush palette. I have used this before in my past tutorials also, you guys. I'm just going to use a really subtle pink. This one here, I just love this one right here. And remember to blend your blush with your contour. Before I put on my lipstick, I am just going to set my whole face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder, this one here. And this is an old school product, you guys. And I normally have either the Milani powder or the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. But for today, I will be using the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. So I'm just put it here on the lid, and this specific one is for my own personal use. The one in my pro kit is totally separate. I have the Laura Mercier in that one right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tap off any excess powder, and I like to start here on the top of my forehead, just going lightly here. And this has a really old school scent, this Airspun. It's very, has an old school scent that just reminds me of so many things from back in the day. For the lipstick, I will be using Revlon's number 835 in Berry Couture. This one here. And it's a nice, really bright, like a mauve purple pink shade. So I will be using this to give this look a pop of color. Now you can also use like a nude lip because the eye is kind of a bold look, but for today I am going to use this nice bright color because it is summertime almost. Hello everyone, so this is the final look on the makeup that I did for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I do like the palette. It's my first time using it today, and for me it's a thumbs up. I like the application. The pigment on the shadows are really great, and there wasn't much fallout when I was applying it on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this video, this makeup video. I will do some more this summer, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon and see you soon. Comment below on any suggestions on future videos. Thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye.